This is the installation video for a Levelok Quick Connect ladder leveler on a Werner MT series Type 1A 300-pound duty-rated articulating ladder. Mark the center line by dividing the outside rail width in half and marking 2 points. You can use a straight edge to draw the center line between these points. Measure 5.5 inches up from the top of the shoe. Make a mark. Please note that this mark is very important. It represents the lowest mounting bolt hole and is the official reference point for the remaining 2 holes that will be drilled into the ladder rails for proper mounting. Use the base unit as a template to mark the rail. There are 4 holes on the base unit. The second hole closest to the shoe is the starting reference point for aligning the template. The hole closest to the shoe is not used in this installation. Drill an initial 1/8 of an inch pilot hole at each of the marks and then enlarge those holes with an 11/32 bit and clean the surface of the drilled holes. There is a left side and a right side to the Levelok base unit. The left side has an L on it and the right side has an R on it. The right side base unit should be installed on the rail that is located on the person's right side when standing in front of the ladder just before climbing. Next, you'll attach the double-sided foam strips to the base unit by removing the protective coating on one side, placing it on either side of the inner part of the base unit. Attach firmly, press. You'll remove the protective coating from the foam strip. And then you can apply the base unit to the rail so that it aligns perfectly with the holes that were just drilled in the ladder rail. Attach firmly, press. Install the base unit with the 3 long bolts, 3 round fender washers, and the 3 lock nuts provided. As a side note, the 2 short bolts included in the hardware kit should be used at the top, uppermost mounting holes near the up sticker when installing the base units on the MT 13-foot model. Use the supplied Allen wrench and a socket to fasten the base unit to the rail. After the base unit is installed with all fasteners, washers, and nuts attached properly, it is important to test the assembly. To do so, line up the 3 mounting knobs on the rear of the leveler. Insert into the 3 keyholes and slide the leveler upward to snap lock into position. Then, insert the detent pin that is attached to the lanyard. Next, test the leveler function by snapping the lower curved foot pedal down into the ready position. Extend the inner leg 5 or 6 inches and then retract the inner leg by activating the release lever near the top. Please note that all Levelok ladder levelers have an automatic backup safety lock, so if there is any pressure on the leveler's shoe, the release lever will be restricted in its movement. This safety feature is designed for your safety, and it is important that the leveler's shoe remains somewhat loose on the shoe bolt, just as it is when you first receive the product. Install the second key-locked base unit on the opposite rail by following the same directions. Installation is the same for all 4 legs on Werner MT series ladders. Installing 4 base units with 2 ladder levelers will provide the optimum functionality covering most uneven terrains. You can purchase extra base units at www.levelok.com.